Find 74% of 754. We need the part of 754. 74% is the percent. 754 is the whole. The question mark is the part we are finding. The whole bar is 100%, or 754. The green bar grows to 74%. So the green part is the answer we need. Percent means out of 100. 74 divided by 100 is 0.74. In A, percent problem of tells us to multiply. Multiply 74 by 754. 55,796 divided by 100 is 557.96. So 74% of 754 is 557.96.